Presenting a pre-owned 2009 GMC Sierra 1500. This two-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 4.8-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC is a great value with less than 37,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power steering, and OnStar.